Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. If you've been following the channel, you know we do lots of different and cool things, including repairs, upgrades, modifications with our Jeep Wranglers.
That's really tight.
All good?
There it is.
Link to the Jeep Wrangler Things playlist is in the description below. In this video, we replace a crusty old steering wheel cover. If you'd like to see step-by-step detail and tips and tricks, check out the How to Install a Leather Steering Wheel Cover Simple by Amplify DIY. Thanks, Amplify DIY. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. If you liked the video, click subscribe so we can see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.